Welcome to all in this class. So question is by double dash plus y equal to cot x. Solve this question by using variation of parameter method. So given differential equation can be written as d square plus 1 into y equal to cot x. So auxiliary equation is m square plus 1 equal to 0. This gives m equal to plus minus I. The nature of root is alpha plus minus I beta form. So CF is C1 cos x plus C2 sin x. So let us consider U equal to cos x, V equal to sin x, and right hand side capital R equal to cot x. Then the differentiation of U with respect to x, U1 equal to minus sin x, and differentiation of V with respect to x, V1 equal to cos x. And we know that Wronskian equal to W equal to in determinant U, V, U1, V1. So putting the value of U, V, U1 and V1, we have determinant cos x, sin x, minus sin x to cos x. So opening this determinant, we have cos square plus x plus sin square x. So finally, this cos square x plus sin square is equal to 1. So Wronskian equal to 1. And we observe that this Wronskian is not equal to 0. So U and V are linearly independent. So now Pi equal to UFX plus VGX, where fx equal to minus integration PR upon W dx and gx equal to integration UR upon W dx. So fx equal to minus integration sin x into cot x upon 1 dx or minus integration sin x into cos x upon sin x dx. We can write this cot x equal to cos x upon sin x. So cancel out the common value sin x and sin x. Finally fx equal to minus integration cos x dx, and we know that the integration of cos x is sin x, so this gives minus sin x. And gx equal to integration cos x into cot x upon 1 dx. So we have cot x equal to cos x upon sin x. So gx equal to integration cos square x upon sin x dx. So we know that cos square x plus sin square x equal to 1. So this cos square x can be written as 1 minus sin square x. So gx equal to integration 1 minus sin square x upon sin x dx. On dividing separately, gx equal to integration cosec x minus sin x into dx, or gx equal to integration cosec x dx minus integration sin x dx. So gx equal to log cosec x plus cot x plus cos x. Now finally pi equal to ufx plus bgx, putting the value of u, v and fx, gx. So pi equal to cos x into minus sin x plus sin x into log cosec x plus cot x plus cot x. So on simplifying, pi equal to minus cosec x into sin x plus sin x into log cosec x plus cot x plus cos x into sin x, or cancelling the common values, cancelling the common terms, cos x into sin x. So pi equal to sin x into log cosec x plus cot x. So general solution is given by y equal to cf plus pi. So y equal to c1 cos x plus c2 sin x plus sin x into log cosec x into cot x. Thank you.